Hello guys, welcome to my channel Biker Perfect, and we are going to talk about wind blasts and wind buffeting while you are riding a motorcycle. Now, talking about wind blasts, it's not actually an let's do this somewhere else. There's too much noise. Finally, there is no noise here and the place is fantastic. So let's start with the vlog today. Now today we'll be talking about wind blasts and wind buffeting while riding a motorcycle. Now talking about wind blasts, it's not actually an explosion happening in the wind while you are riding a motorcycle. It's how to explain? It's just a sudden gush of wind that lashes at you when you are riding a motorcycle at high speed. Suppose you are crossing a river or a big truck is crossing you from the opposite side. That gush of wind, when it suddenly lashes at you, it causes a mild disbalance while riding a motorcycle. But worry not, it won't throw you off the motorcycle, because technically you are riding almost 100+ kgs of motorcycle at minimum, and apart from that you have your body weight on it, so you won't fall off the motorcycle, just that it causes a mild disbalance. This is all about wind blasts. Now talking about wind buffeting, now when the wind coming from the opposite side hits you, it moves in a circular motion between you and the handlebar. So there is a circular motion of air going on between you and the handlebar, which causes a small vibration and at times some larger amount of vibration in your helmet. Now this is called wind buffeting. Now wind buffeting is not that a disadvantage while riding, but while riding longer distances you do feel the fatigue due to wind buffeting. Now to counteract this effect of wind blasts and wind buffeting, the most basic and the easiest way is to go for a taller visor apart from the stock visor that has been given on your bike. So for our Bajaj Dominar 400, we are going for a taller visor. Now after a thorough research on the internet, I found out the taller visor offered by Autologue Designs, who are based out of Pune. It serves the purpose well. Like, it's really tall, it also increases the aesthetics of the motorcycle, and it's quite aerodynamic, so it's going to serve the purpose well. Now let me show you how this visor looks. So this is the taller visor from Autologue Design. Now this comes at around 2000 rupees. So you can order it from Amazon as well. This visor is very sturdy and it's quite well finished, gloss on the outer side. The earlier version of this visor was not finished from the back side. Now as you can see, this version has been finished from both the inner side as well as the outer side, but now the weight of this visor has increased by a certain amount, but that's again manageable. So this is how it looks. Now the guys at Autologue have made this installation of the visor very easy. It's just like plug and play. Now you do not need any other bolts or nuts apart from the stock 4 bolts which have been provided in the stock Dominar to install this. So we'll just put it on this, tie the bolts, and we are ready to go. Now we'll take out the screwdriver which has been given by Bajaj under the seat already. So we do not need any other tools as well. Just a basic screwdriver will do the job. This is the basic screwdriver which has been given by Bajaj in the toolkit. Now we'll just try to open the stock Bajaj Dominar visor with this. Now we'll be opening the stock Bajaj Dominar visor. Now we'll put this visor on the Bajaj Dominar like this. We will fix the places where the screws are. We'll put 2 of them inside so that just about fits. So as you can see, this is how the visor looks after installing, and it was quite a child's play to install this. Anyone can do this. You don't need to go to a mechanic to install the visor. It was that easy. So this is how it looks.